Subscribe and click the bell icon for more interesting content. With the current pandemic, we certainly understood how unpredictable our future can be. So, in the worst case scenario, what if the world ends? Without any further ado, let's get into the topic. Earth won't always be fit for occupation. We know that in 2 billion years or so, an expanding sun will boil away our oceans, or at least a third of the 1,000-mile wide asteroids that move across our orbital path will eventually crash into us, leaving our home in the universe uninhabitable. So, where will we go after Earth? The National Space Society, whose more than 12,000 members are committed to establishing settlements in space, suggests that we will probably first go to a planet that has resources to support life. After completing a $200 million study in the year 2000, NASA reported that a colony could be dug several feet below our own moon's surface or covered within an existing crater to protect residents from the constant bombardment of high-energy cosmic radiation, which can damage our DNA and lead to cancer. The National Space Society, in its own 2008 report, Roadmap to Space Settlement, also identifies the Moon as the logical initial stop, citing the presence of life-sustaining ice as a precursor to permanent lunar bases, hotels, and even casinos. Other space settlement advocates suggest skipping the Moon entirely, although our Moon is closer and we have already landed people there. They say that the moons of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are believed to contain variously greater quantities of water, carbon, or nitrogen, but most Earth-like of the destinations in our solar system is Mars. Unlike the Moon, Mars has a bit of atmosphere which would offer some protection from cosmic rays and about 40% of Earth's gravity. If the next planet doesn't have a suitable environment, colonists could live indoors until they manage to build a suitable environment. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, please encourage us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.